Weekly. It's on here. It's not on here yet. Here it is.
Weather Service in Grand Rapids. The signal you just heard was our weekly test of the No Weather Radio Warning Alarm System. We normally conduct a test on Wednesdays around 11:15 in the morning. However, if there's a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, we'll postpone the test until the next available good weather day. Be advised that weather conditions will affect the signal quality of the broadcast. We'll activate the warning alarm tone for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties.
This is my first alert on the recom.
162.40 megahertz from Onondaga. Those counties are Branch, Calhoun, Clinton, Eaton, Gratiot, Hillsdale, Ingham, Jackson, Livingston, and Shiawassee. On 162.425 megahertz from West Olive, those counties are Allegan, Muskegon, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Hesperia, those counties are Muskegon, Newaygo, and Oceana. On 162.525 megahertz from Mount Pleasant, those counties are Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, Mecosta, Midland, Montcalm, and Osceola. On 162.55 megahertz from Canonsburg, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Ionia, Kent, Montcalm, Muskegon, Newaygo, Oceana, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Plainwell, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun. And finally, on 162.425 megahertz from Wolf Lake, those counties are Manistee, Wexford,
Turn that on here because
Mason,
I pressed
Lake,
this.
Osceola,
But it's still on here.
Oceana, Newaygo, and Mecosta.
Oh, there it
This
is.
concludes the test of the No Weather Radio Warning Alarm device. Thanks for listening to the Weather Radio Station.